This video shows the unboxing of a drip irrigation kit and a sprinkler timer. You will see Pack 1, Pack 2, 15mm hose, 1/4 tubing, and the user manual. Pack 1 includes 6-way connectors, support rod, and end plugs. Here are the itemized details of Pack 1. Pack 2 includes drippers, end plugs, and water connectors. Here are the itemized details of Pack 2. To connect the 6-way connector to the 15mm irrigation hose, simply insert the hose into the connector. Pull the hose to make sure it is secure. Do the same on the other end of the connector. Start laying out the 15mm hose around your plants. Follow the suggested layout shown in the included manual. To connect the 1/4 inch tubing to the 6-way connector, insert the tubing into the connector. Pull the tubing to make sure it is secure. Continue the layout as suggested in the manual. To connect the support rod to the adjustable dripper, insert the support rod into the dripper. You will hear a click when it is properly connected. Continue laying out the 1/4 inch tubing by cutting the tubing and installing the adjustable drippers. To plug the 6-way connector, insert the end plug into the connector. Pull it gently to make sure it is secure. To connect the water connector to the timer, make sure there is a gasket inside to prevent leaks. Insert the 15mm hose into the water connector and pull to check if it is secure. Hand tighten only, no tools are needed. Repeat the same steps on the other side of the sprinkler timer. Turn on the water supply to check for leaks. If you find a leak, check if the hose is fully inserted into the dripper. Fix all leaks found. Adjust the dripper nozzle as needed. Turn it clockwise to reduce water flow. Turn it counterclockwise to increase water flow. And that's it. Enjoy gardening! Now let's look at the sprinkler timer, starting with the unboxing. Here is what you will find inside the box. The sprinkler timer does not include batteries. To install the batteries, remove the battery cover at the back of the unit. Insert 4AA batteries. Close the battery compartment. Before installing the timer, explore the buttons and settings to understand how it works. To install the sprinkler timer on the faucet, check that there is a gasket inside to prevent leaks. Apply plumber's tape to the faucet as shown. Hand tighten the sprinkler timer onto the faucet. Connect the irrigation hose. Set the required timer settings. The settings shown in the video are only an example. Adjust the timer based on your garden's water needs. Step-by-step instructions are provided in the user manual.